All right, this is Wisdom Forest Academy. Looking at the analysis of this weekend, we are going to be looking at the Eurgbp, what we are expecting on Eurgbp. Remember, I showed you how to set TDI indicator, how to mark levels, how to identify trend line. We are going to use the same three strategy to identify what we are expecting this week on Eurgbp. We are going to be using daily time frame. So what are we to do? We need to understand the trend, what really happens here. Okay, just follow me as I am diving in. We look at the structure. What happened? Looking at the structure, we can see that we had downtrend. Now after the downtrend, we see that market retests. We had downtrend. We had downtrend here. We had downtrend. You see, this was downtrend, and this was downtrend. Market came here, breakout, and came to retest here before upward movement. I believe you understand the area what I'm saying. We had downtrend here. You see, market breaks here and drops here and begin upward movement, which means before now we had downtrend. So we're able to understand when the market begins upward movement. So the next thing we have to do now, we have to discover or see how we can identify the current trend. You know, the trend is our friend. Current trend. Let's do this now. This trend line should go here. The trend line, and the second trend line. Second trend line here. Second trend line. This is the second trend line. Now we were able to understand that after the downtrend, the market break the trend line and retested it before it makes upward movement. Now on the upward movement, now here we were able to detect that the market makes lower high. This was lower high, lower high. Then before it now breaks down here. Okay. Understanding that what we are going to do now, we have been able to understand the current trend. It was an uptrend. Next thing we have to do, we have to mark the levels. We are going to mark the levels now. Remember where market retests, those are the levels we are going to be marking. These are the where market retested. These are levels. These are levels where market retest. So these are levels we are going to be marking. These are the levels. Mark the levels. Mark the levels. These are levels we are marking. All right. I believe you understand what I'm doing. These are the levels. Then the question is, what are we really expecting? What are we really expecting this week on this particular currency? Remember, I said before you start marking levels or start doing this analysis, your TDI green column must break out of Bollinger Band. That's what you are seeing here. Look at it here. So then what else? If I squeeze here, you are going to see, I zoom in the chart, you see that we have multiple consolidation at this point, which that is our support. I draw this red line here. This is our overall support. This is our overall support. Now what are we looking up? What are we looking out for? We are looking out for this current market to get to this level. It must get to this level. So what am I seeing here? What we are seeing here is that the market is going to market makers are going to initiate seller stop hunts. Sell stop hunts, because as you see now, the Britain GBP currency, they are still in charge of this particular market, because this market have not reached the support line. The market is still in this level instead of this other level. So we are expecting this market by Monday to pull through down here. But if this market should buy, it's going to be a fake out. It's going to be a fake out, because this market have not reached the support. This is the real support. So we are expecting this market to get to this support. But for now, look at where the market is. So this is a real fake out. So if you are trading Euro GBP, what you have to do, you have to wait and see if this market will drop down to support. If it drops down to support, it's a good market to trade for you to buy. But if it buys from here, you need to be very careful. If you are buying it, don't play with your stop loss. Make sure as the market price moves above your entries, trade your stop loss immediately, because it's going to be a very big time fake out, and it will blow so many people's accounts. All right, so this is Wisdom Forex Academy. Remember, we were able to see the downward trend. What really happens? We saw that it breaks and retests and makes lower high. That is buyer. It was buying trend. Then what we see next? Market breaking that line and coming down. Then when it comes down, it did not get to the support. So we cannot trade this. Even if you want to trade this, you need to be very smart in your decision. But we are expecting this market. To come to support before we can ride it up. All right, this is Wisdom Forex Academy. Please subscribe to my channel, like, turn on the notification, so that as soon as I drop, you'll be able to make use of it. Remember, I promise that I'll be giving more good content and good analysis. I want you to learn from it. You understand me? I want you to learn from it. If you don't learn from it, it means you are the cause of your problem. All right, this is Wisdom Forex Academy. Sign off. Bye.